Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to center a table in Google Docs. So let's begin the video. At first, open your document and then click anywhere inside the table you want to center. Right-click on the cell and from the list go to Table Options. Click on it. Then a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. From here, go to Table. Then from the style, click on Inline. And here you will see the alignment option. From here, go to Center. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.